I am so excited for what's inside this box. Hi guys, it's Lara. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of the Cloth and Paper, what month is it? July, I think. Yes, July subscription box. So this is your fair warning. If you're waiting on your subscription box and you don't want any spoilers, exit now. But if you're interested in what's inside the box, stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox everything inside of it and share with you. So I already opened the box mainly because it was my first box and I was curious what was inside of it. And so I did sneak a peek, so it's open, but let's dive in and see what's all inside of here. So the thing that I think is just so beautiful about all the Cloth and Paper products and everything is their packaging is totally matches their brand. I won't flip it over, but when they send the box, the shipping label is on the bottom of the box. So it doesn't interfere with their logo here and the like beautiful box. So if you wanted to keep these boxes as a way to store things from Cloth and Paper, you totally could without there being an ugly shipping label on it. Okay, let's open it up. See how I can do this. Okay, here we go. So when you open it up, they have, so I ordered the pen box and the stationery box, so I have two things in here. So they have the Penspiration board of what dictated the, what inspired the pens for this month, which I think is just gorgeous. And on the back of it, it has a place for you to do a pen test. Just so smart, like what an awesome way. Oh my gosh, everything about this is just so well thought out. And then on the other card is what's inside the box. So I'm not gonna show that for now so that we can see what's inside the box and then I can reference it as needed. So let's open this up. Okay, there's gonna be some crinkling, I'm sorry. So this first is the pens and it comes with this like little pen pouch. I don't know if this comes every time, but it's really nice. So you could just put this month's pens right in the little like vellum container. So let's see what we have. So we have a Monami Prison medium point. I don't know what this is. Not sure what this is, but like wax on the top of it. Okay, there we go. So I don't know exactly what this is, but I guess we'll figure it out together. I'll do like a pen test in the end. Another one that I'm not sure about, but it's 0.5. So we'll try that. Another one, not sure about. Gonna have to figure it out, also 0.5. And then the last one's a Uniball Air. And this one, it doesn't say the thickness of it. Oh, whoa, that's crazy looking. Okay, so we'll deal with those last. So in the pen box, you get 5 different pens. I think they might always be black, but I'm not, don't quote me on that. Okay, and then this is what I was most excited for in this box. This is an Ollie clip, I think, an Ollie block clip. So I'll open it for you, but it's an exclusive to the subscription box and it's a collaboration with Cloth and Paper. And I recently ordered some Ollie clips and I like them, but I loved how neutral and beautiful this was. And it has the Cloth and Paper logo on it as well. So it's really pretty. I was a major fan. It was mainly the reason why I subscribed to the box. Okay, then there are some like clear, I think they call them journaling cards. Let's see. Yes, okay. So it has the month view. I don't know if you can see it. Let me put it up against something. Okay, so it has the month view for August, the month view for September, And then I love this. It's a cloth and paper black card, but it's just clear vellum. And then the last one is, oops, I'm not doing very well at this unboxing. Everything I Know and Everything I Don't Know, which I think is a really beautiful card as well. So then, let's see what else we have in here. We have an ink smeared dashboard. So this is a dashboard for your planner. See, while we're on the topic of dashboards. So they have then the August and September dashboard. So one of the other reasons why I subscribed to this box is I went onto the Cloth and Paper website and was trying to order things for an A5, and I did end up ordering a binder and a couple of things, but I found the website hard to navigate, and I was struggling as somebody who's brand new to Ring planners, trying to find what exactly I would need to get started. And so I loved in the box that they send the month's inserts so that you could build your planner off the subscription box. It's not just full of like extras for your planner, it's actually full of things that you could use that month for your planner. So then they included, let's see, this is a password tracker, which I probably won't use. I don't tend to write my passwords down. I can never remember them to begin with, but I don't really write them down, but I do think it's really nice that they include that. There seems to be a lot of pages in here, but okay, so then the next one, let's see. So this is an August insert. So they included, this is the August and September vertical weekly. So I don't know if this looks like August. Okay, let's open it up. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, so it must have like Tuesday, Wednesday, Saturday, Sunday for the 28th through the 2nd. And then, I'm confused. Oh, okay. And then this is like the monthly dashboard. It's not like the 8th of August, it's the monthly dashboard for August. And then it has the monthly view and then the vertical weekly. So now this makes a little bit more sense. I was just confused on what was happening here. So every day has like a little section to write in. So that's pretty cool. And they included the same for September. So that's the same. Okay, and then there are some dot grid sticky notes. And I think these are transparent dots. They're really pretty. And the last two things in the box are this conversion chart from like, what's it called? Like metric, something to metric. Oh my gosh, I'm like losing my mind. So like tablespoon to milliliters, Fahrenheit to Celsius, inches to centimeters, feet to centimeters, yard to meter, and then ounce to grams. That's kind of a cool dashboard. And then the last thing is this architect notebook pad, which I actually could see myself using on my desk as like a place to jot things, but you could also use it to map out rooms and for redecorating, which I think is really awesome too. So that's everything that's in the box. I'm gonna put everything back and then we're gonna look at the pens. Okay, so let's look at the pens. I'm gonna zoom you in, hopefully successfully. Okay, so let's try the pens out. Oh, so this one has a medium and a fine point. Okay, so it's like two pens in one. That is very thick. Whoa. Okay. I like that one. It writes like, kind of like a permanent marker. Okay, let's try this one out. I don't know any of the names of these because they're all written in Japanese, I believe. So we don't know. Okay, this one's like a roller ball, but I really like how it writes. I'm definitely a fan of that. I'm gonna zoom you in a little bit more. There we go. Okay, let's try this one. Oh, I like that one too. I like a finer point pen, so I'm definitely a fan of the ones that are finer. This one I'm super interested because I don't know if you can tell. The tip of it is very interesting. Why won't you focus? There we go. Super interesting. Oh, but I don't really like how it writes. Focus for a second. Hello, camera. Okay, one more to go. I hate this like wax or whatever that's on the top of these pens. Okay, making a mess everywhere. Okay, I definitely like that last one the most, I think. But I really like how they include like all these different pens for you to try out. It's a really great box. The other thing that I really enjoyed about the box is when you sign up, you write in what kind of planner you have. You also include your monogram in case they send anything that's monogrammed, which is crazy for a subscription box to have like that many choices to it. So I wrote in that I used an A5, so they sent all A5 things, but you could choose from any of the styles that they offer, which I don't know, this is like a really great way to try to dip your feet into the ring-bound planner system. So that's all I have for today. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. It's my first unboxing, so I'm sure it's not very good. I wasn't very clear on everything, but hopefully you enjoyed it. And I guess I'll show you too. This is the card that was included. So in case you're curious what it said, you can see it all here. And that's everything I have for today. If you all are new here, I hope you hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed this video and would like to see more videos like this, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all next time. Have a good one.